today there's a special reason to feel grateful. It's your birthday, and on this day, most of all, I want you to know I'm so glad you're here. Life wouldn't be the same without you. Happy birthday. Oh my god, baby, this one is so pretty. Guys, look at this. Oh my god, baby, and I guess that's like the base and the bulbs. Oh my. It's so pretty, baby. Guys, this. The light bulbs are so pretty. No, I love it. And this is the base. And what is, oh, this is, I don't know what that is. The legs, the light bulbs. Oh my god, baby, it's so nice. Be careful. It's so pretty. Can we go buy a vanity now? Okay. Thanks, baby. I love you. These crystal knobs I picked up from Amazon. They make a huge difference on the vanity. I think that it does make a huge impact. And they were about $10, and such a great deal, and they came about 12 in one pack. Everything cost about $450. I just want to show you an overview of how everything now looks. It looks so gorgeous. Look at that. Cabinets. These are Ikea cabinets. They were $80, and yeah, this one right here was about $40. I think if we I think it probably even has a tag on. Yeah, it was. I got it from Burlington for $40, guys. Oh, I hurt my toe. For $40. And then this right here was $250, I believe, around $250-ish. And then this one right here was about $30 from Ikea as well. And yeah, the rest are just knick-knack stuff that when I do my makeup collection, I will show you the overview of that. But I just really want to show you how these knobs look. Just because if you guys are wanting to build, these knobs are the best knobs and they fit perfectly. Look how perfect they fit. Let me go on the other side. These knobs fit gorgeous. They're so pretty. And then the table, if you guys really want to conserve this white beautiful finish, and I would suggest to buy a contact paper on it, but I really like how the white goes all together. So I won't be changing that, and it was only $30. I don't think it will hurt me or break me. And then this is just what Jorge gave me, and here is what he got me. Yeah, it was a very long journey. I'm sorry the background is a little like messy, so let's go this way. This has to dim here. You dim, turns off, and then turns back up. And then on this side it has that, and then yeah, so it's really nice, guys. I really love it. And yeah, I think that it was a great thing like I did, and Jorge of course helped me, but it looks very well put together. I think I will change a few stuff, like I might change that, but for now, let's close this. But for now, I am keeping it how it looks. Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy this video on my journey on creating my DIY makeup vanity. It was so awesome to do this, and very soothing to my soul. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll leave all the information on the bottom, and yeah, thank you so much. Bye guys.